Hello everyone. Today we have a very interesting problem. It is given that xy is equal to 11, yz is equal to 22 and zx is equal to 33. And we have to find x square plus y square plus z square. So let's move towards the solution. Let we call this equation as equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Let me move towards the solution, which gives if we multiply equation number 1, 2 and 3 with z, x and y respectively, from equation number 1 we get x, y, z. This is equal to 11z. From second equation, if we multiply it with x, we get x, y, z is equal to 22x. And from third equation, we get x, y, z. This is equal to 33y. We can see that on the left side there is x, y, z in each equation. So it means 11z is equal to 22x is equal to 33y. So we can write it as 11z, this is equal to 22x, which is equal to 33y. Now we divide this equality with the LCM of 11, 22 and 33 for some simplification. So LCM, you can find it, LCM of 11, 22 and 33, this is equal to 66. You can find it. So dividing this with 66, we will get 11z divided by 66 is equal to 22x is equal to 66 and 33y over 66, which can be written as z by 6 is equal to x over 3 is equal to y by 2. Now these are three different variables z, x and y, but their relations, if you see on this is z over 6, it is only relation of z, it is only relation of x and it is only relation of y, and these all are equal. When different function or variable are with equality sign, then equality can hold only when they are equal to some constant, and let we say that this constant is equal to k. So from here we can obtain as z by 6 is equal to k, x by 3 is equal to k, and y by 2 is equal to k, which gives us z is equal to 6k, x is equal to 3k, and y is equal to 2k. This is what we get from this equation. We know that from equation number 1, xy is equal to 11. So substituting the values of x and y in form of k, we get x is equal to 3k and y is equal to 2k, which is equal to 11. So this is equal to 6k square is equal to 11, and from here we can find k square is equal to 11 by 6. Here we have got the value of k square. Now we move towards the value of x square plus y square. Now we find x square plus y square plus z square, which is, what is x? X is equal to 3k, y is 2k, 3k square plus 2k square, and plus z is 6k, 6k square. So simplifying this one, we get 9k square plus 4k square plus 36k square, which is equal to 49k square, and we have the value of k square, which is 11 by 6. So 19 into 11 by 6. So we have x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 539 by 6, which is the required answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumb up to the video. Thank you.